Hey guys, Carlyvoinski, and today we're doing a quick look through of what I'm eating in a day, eating a keto low carb diet. So the first thing that I did was have breakfast, and I made a bulletproof coffee, which was coffee with 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, some Himalayan salt, and cinnamon. I always put cinnamon in there, and I use a blender, blend it all up, and I put it in this big mug, and that's breakfast. Okay guys, so lunchtime I eat super late because I kind of do an intermittent fasting thing. My bulletproof coffee wasn't a part of the fast today, but I am in a place now where I don't eat lunch until like way later. So I made kind of my own version of like an egg salad with bacon on romaine. So it's 2 pieces of romaine lettuce, 2 hard-boiled eggs that I cut up, seasoned with salt and pepper, and used brown mustard, and then also just 2 pieces of bacon, all crumbled up. And I am gonna track everything in Carb Manager, so at the end of the day we can see what it's like. I have pork ribs in a crock pot with a sugar-free honey barbecue sauce, and we'll have that tonight with probably some mashed cauliflower and perhaps a salad, I'm not really sure yet. So that's lunch. Hey guys, okay, it's dinner. So for dinner, I have had pork ribs in the crock pot, and they have been seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some oregano, and they've been in the crock pot all day long. And I put some of this awesome G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. This is the honey flavor, and I did that all day long. I'm going to plate those with, I'm using frozen Alexia mashed cauliflower with sea salt. Super great. I'm gonna add some butter on top of this too, and we'll plate it up. And what's really great is I've already made a plate for my kids, and they already ate a whole one of these, and they loved it. They thought it was great. So it's easy for you when you are making a meal for not just yourself, but also for your entire family. So it was really, really simple. I'll plate it, we'll show it. And then I also have the macros already put in, and you'll get to see how I ended out the day.
I didn't like it. I loved it. The mash was great.
Okay, so dinner is done and plated, and you'll see here we have the ribs, mashed cauliflower with some butter, and some sugar-free barbecue sauce. Yum! I will put the macros into the Carb Manager app. I'll display them right here. And then I'll also show you what the macros were for the entire day. I know I've already put them in, so my day landed almost perfectly. For me, it was perfect enough. So that is a full day of eating keto, plus feeding my kids the same way for dinner. And that's it. So if this was a great video for you, please go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified of all the new videos coming out.